Party symbolized by the honey bee. It is time to return Nigeria to our honey days. So I'm using this medium to call all members of rescue movement and all my followers and well-meaning Nigerians who want this nation to move forward to go and start registering with the National Rescue Movement Party, NRM, and also our rescue movement platform. NRM is a registered political party by INEC, and we are ready to rescue this great nation. If given the mandate, our government will be people's first and nation's first. We will prioritize fixing the epileptic power sector that our politicians have refused or unable to fix for over 60 years. Decentralizing and stabilizing electricity supply, restoring economic stability, and strengthening the Naira, revitalizing local refinery capacity, and addressing energy costs. Investing massively in education, making primary and secondary education compulsory, and strengthening technical and vocational training. Ensuring lecturers' salaries are never delayed. Rebuilding and equipping our hospitals to world-class standard. Listen, no government officials, including myself, will seek medical treatment abroad at public expense. Reforming and strengthening the military and police to restore law and order. Encouraging local manufacturing, including the use of locally produced vehicles for official purposes. We will build a nation of law and order, a nation of reward and accountability. This is a call for a generational change. It is time for a shift from recycled leadership to visionary leadership. It is time for courage over convenience. It is time to rebuild Nigeria. Our slogan says it all. A nation that has everything, yet lacks everything. I repeat, a nation that has everything, yet lacks everything. Together, we will change that narrative. Join me, Nigerians, both home and abroad, in this rescue mission. Let us combine the best of Nigerians at home and abroad to build a new republic, one that we can keep. Yes, we can, and yes, we will. Get here through years of systematic and systemic corruption, mismanagement, and policies that moved our country from boom to doom. We got here because leaders placed personal interest above national interest. Even those in diaspora who struggle daily still carry the burden of families back home. Many of our health workers abroad, once undervalued here, now treat Nigerian leaders and overseas for ailment that should be handled in our own hospitals. Enough is enough, and I mean enough is enough. It is time to fight for the soul of our nation. I am not here to merely recount our problems, but I'm here to declare that Nigeria is fixable. It is not rocket science. What we have lacked is sincere, courageous, and people-centered leadership. What happened to our refineries? What happened to our Jakarta Steel? Why do we continue to pay thousands of workers in non-functional institutions? Why must we depend on private individuals for what government should provide? Corruption has become normalized. Public funds meant for national development are diverted. Absurd excuses are given for missing money, yet there are no consequences. Poverty has no tribe. Hunger has no ethnicity. Insecurity has no religion, and insecurity affects us all. If we fail to free and fair election, there's always results into doing criminal things. So it is condemnable that no politician, my voice is loud enough, that's fine. No politicians should face any form of attack anywhere in the world. So it is very condemnable, and I condemn it wholeheartedly. Now, when we talk about Mr. Peter Obi still in the race, In 2023, it was Mr. Peter Ob's turn. But in 2027, it's Fadojoe's turn. And I'll explain why. This country has been in the hands of our political leaders. Please, if you are coming in, can you please put your voice down, please? If you are coming in, please put your voice down, please. Let's maintain decorum. We are not in the marketplace. Please, we're just coming down. Please put your voice down. Thank you. Now, you can go and verify. But in 2027, Mr. Peter Obi has gone to join ADC. The question is, what is ADC? Who are the people in ADC? The same people that Mr. Peter Obi vied against, contested against 2 years ago. The same people who brought Nigeria to where it is today. The same people who made sure that we have no light, we are in darkness. The same people who were the problems of our country were the ones that Mr. Peter Obi has gone to join. The question is, if he is given the ticket tomorrow, now ask me, who are the people that will form his cabinet? These same people. So, this election will not be about one political class to another. It will not be about one coalition of politicians to another. It will be about the people of Nigeria, the 99% people of Nigeria who have been the ones suffering all of these problems. And especially the younger generation, like me, like some of you who are here today. Some of us were told that we'll be leaders of tomorrow. And in our own eye, we are getting old and old by the day, and many in their 80s, many in their 90s are still running our government. Today, the young President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, when he was a governor, was a better governor than now that he's old. Let's be clear. Muhammadu Buhari was a better head of state than when he came back and said Baba. So it shows that leadership in Nigeria needs a younger generation to run it. When Nigerians and the world are talking about AI, what are we talking about? Rice and beans and noodles. When the rest of the world are competing in technology, what are we doing in our nation? We are still doing manual voting. When in abroad, you can be overseas and vote. So a lot is wrong in our country, and our elders have tried their best. I'm not going to run a campaign of insult or abuse elders or fathers, but they've done the best, and their best is not good enough. So they should leave the state, the country, to we, the younger generation, to run it, and we'll run it better. Thank you. Now, second question.